Well, that's it. I'm leaving my lead gen secret after 2 years. So in this video, I'm going to do a final review about my lead gen secret. Does it work? Is it worth it? Should you join? Is it a scam? All these questions I get about my lead gen secret. There's a lot of rumors going on about it. I'm going to just share my screen, show you how I've done with this and who I think it's for and who I think it's not for. Let's go. So, question number 1. Does my lead gen secret work or is it a scam? So, from my personal experience, it is absolutely not a scam. It does work. I'm going to share my screen and show you my results. I have made a profit with this product. I've definitely made sales not only of my lead gen secret, but also of other products. I've made a ton of review videos on my channel. You can go and check them out. I share in all transparency my results. So, my lead gen secret is not a scam and it does work. But there's a big but. What you need to know is my lead gen secret is what they call shared leads, okay? Permission-based leads is another word I believe that is used in the industry. And there's nothing wrong with that. It is not illegal. It's okay. So what does this mean exactly? This means that people have agreed for their email address to be shared for a certain kind of opportunity. In this instance, it's make money online opportunities. So they have given their email address, their name and email address, and they've basically said in a nutshell, I'm okay to be contacted for make money online opportunities. Much like, you might have your name on a database of people who agree to be contacted, I don't know, for surveys about your health or for household kitchen appliances. I don't know, Basically, these leads are part of some kind of giant database, and they are therefore getting many emails from many different sources. Okay, so I have a huge amount of leads now from my lead gen secret, and of course I used to email them very regularly, in fact every single day, but I was not the only one to email these leads every single day. So there were many people emailing these same leads every single day. And therefore, you've got to basically be really good with your emailing, really good with your title, that, to get that open, to get them to open the email and then to get them to read the email and then to get them to click on your link. So obviously they are good leads. They come from tier 1 countries, from the US, from Canada, from the UK. They are good quality leads. However, the problem in inverted commas is that they are being emailed by many people, and therefore it diminishes your chance of getting an open and a click and then a sale. Does that make sense? So why do people think that this is a scam? Well, they think this because precisely they're not getting a lot of opens, they're not getting a lot of clicks, they're not getting a lot of sales. And people look at the numbers and they think, hold on a second, I'm getting 100, I have 5,000 leads, 10,000 leads, 100,000 leads. And they say, how is that possible? But this is why it's possible, okay? It's because these leads are getting a lot of emails. Does it make sense again? So, again, I reassure you, it's not a scam. However, it's not for everyone. So we're going to go into this. Who is it for? Who is it not for? My humble opinion, after 2 years of being with my lead gen secret and after learning a lot about online marketing, when I joined my lead gen secret, I was fairly much a beginner in online marketing in general. Now I'm not a beginner anymore. I'm making way more money than I was 2 years ago, and I've learned an awful lot. So, who is my lead gen secret for, in my humble opinion? Okay, I think my take is that it's for either beginners who want to practice their email marketing, get good at practicing open rates and emailing very, very consistently, and who want to build their list, because it will help you build your list. It will. Okay, so for them, I think it's good. It's also good for people who are very experienced and, who know that they will send really good emails that are going to get the open and the click. Okay. I think it's not for people who are hoping it's going to make them easy, quick money. In my experience, it has made me a consistent profit. Okay, you will see, I'm going to share my screen. I've made a very consistent profit with this product. I haven't made millions, but I have made my money back and more. So it's been worth it for me. But the one thing I've learned more than anything else is, all about leads and how to email and all that kind of stuff, more really than actually making very good money with this. Does that make sense? So in my opinion, it's not for people who are hoping that this will make them a ton of money fast, okay? Of course, we all want that, but as you probably know by now, it doesn't exist. There is no way to make a lot of money very fast. Many online marketers will have you believe that this is possible, but actually in practice it isn't really, okay? So we just have to get over it and get on with it. But of course, we always, many people at least are still seeking for this way to make a quick buck. And if that's what you're looking for with My Lead Gen Secret, you are in for a disappointment. So don't get it if you want to make a lot of money fast, but get it if you want to increase your list, if you want to increase your email marketing skills. And also, as I say, get it, I guess, if you are very experienced in email marketing and you know how to write, great emails that are going to get a good open rate and a good click-through rate. So I have a few more things I want to say, but first we're going to go and look at my back office at a few numbers there. Let's go.
Okay, so just real quick, this is my back office. This is my affiliate ID. We go to my account just so I can show you that it is mine. As you can see, my affiliate number is here and this is my name, Sophie Bide. And when I signed up, so I signed up on the 17th of August 2019, I really literally cancelled almost exactly 2 years later. As far as commissions go, if I go to affiliates, this is the section where you see your commissions. I'll put this video. If I go to commissions, you will see that I've actually done quite well. This is all the commissions earned. If I scroll all the way down to the page, all the way down, I've made a total of $1,372. I still have $18 that's not paid. You have to wait until you get to $30 to request payment. That will come later on. Now let's go to my leads. So as you can see, I have a considerable amount of leads. Okay, I have a ton of pages all the way down to 25. If I select here all these leads, I can download all the leads from all the pages. These are my leads. They will remain my leads even though I've cancelled. Once I've cancelled, I will just not be able to email the leads from the internal mailing system, and I will not be receiving 200 leads a day anymore. If I want to reactivate my membership, I will just have to start paying $30 again a month, and then I will start receiving 200 leads a day again, as long as I've still got some active signups. Okay, so that's the way it works. As far as statistics go, no, I'll show you. Hold on, I'll just first show you. Well, no, actually, we can see this here. As far as statistics go, as you can see, these are the last emails that are sent. The very last one I sent to 1,400 146,000 people. Okay, I'm close to 150,000 leads now. So obviously that's a considerable amount of leads. As you can see, the open rate and the click-through rate is low. So I have an open rate of, I'd say the lowest is 2%, the highest is about 6 or maybe even 7%. At some point, I've had some emails that got 6%. There you go, 6 point. Okay, but it remains low. Okay, to give you an idea, in comparison, my warm list, people who've actually found me on YouTube, found me on Facebook, found me somewhere, right, and have opted in to have asked for lead magnets and are actively on my warm list, I have the lowest open rate I get is maybe 10%. That's if I have a really bad subject line. But generally, I have an open rate of, I'd say, between 20 and 40%. So this is a low open rate, but this is to be expected because these are shared leads. So obviously, they're very cold. They're getting a ton of emails from many, many people, and therefore the open rate is going to be low. And the click-through rate similarly is low. I mean, again, this is to be expected. Having said that, even a 2% open rate out of, over 100,000 leads, it still is, it still is a considerable amount of people. As you can see, there you go. There I have, still over 2,000 people open the email, and it's only a 2% open rate. So it's still, it's still worth it if you're starting from scratch and building your list. I think that's all I wanted to show you for my back office. As I say, as I've cancelled, as soon as the cancellation takes effect, I will not be able basically to access this. I will not be able to email people anymore from the internal mailing system. But as you can see, for the moment, it's still active. And if I select my leads, I have 147,400. It's a lot of leads. Okay, that's it for my back office.
So I hope you found that share of my back office interesting and exciting. Now, a few more points. If you join my lead gen secret, don't forget the following things. First, don't forget that it is a lead generation product. Promote it as such. Do not promote it as a make money online opportunity. Tell people about it. Tell people it is a good way to have, to have a lot of leads fast. That's what it is. Second point, use it as an opportunity to email. Practice emailing every single day. The more you email your leads, the more chances you have that the right person will open your email and get hooked into your world. Okay, I have made some sales. Some people have clicked, have joined my good email list, and have become customers of mine, warm customers of mine. And that's only because for a long time I was extremely consistent at emailing every single day. So use it also as an opportunity to practice your email marketing skills, your writing skills. You don't have to write a whole Jane Austen novel every time, right? But practice, see what works. Write some very short emails, write some longer emails, write some value emails, write some emails that sell. Practice. Take this opportunity to practice. Email marketing is a huge thing in online marketing. It's absolutely huge. If you are able to email good emails, to know what works, right? What gets the clicks, what gets the sales, then honestly, that $30 a month in my lead gen, that you're investing in my lead gen secret, even if you never make a sale of my lead gen secret itself, is well invested. Okay, it's really, really important. And last, I will add, if you do want to try my lead gen secret, click the link below this video and you will have my support. It's not because I'm not renewing my subscription at the moment that I've stopped promoting it. As I say, as long as people are very clear about what this is, what this product is, and what it does, I have no problem with this product. It is what it is. It's low cost. The leads are tier 1 countries. There are shared leads, permission-based leads. It is very clear that this is what they are. If you are clear about what you're getting, then there's no problem. It's not trying to be something that it's not, okay? So you will have my full support if you get my lead gen secret. Please email me and let me know that you got it. My email is sophie@officialsophiebuy.com. The address, the link to get my lead gen secret and my email address are all in the description of this video. Please make sure you do that. Otherwise, I do not know. I might be totally unable to contact you. I will let you know, what I did to get the results that I had. I will invite you into the supportive Facebook group. I'll point you towards free email resources that you can use. And you will have my full support. So don't hesitate. If you want to go for it, just click that link and go ahead. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you want to learn more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, you can contact me as well. That is what I do. But that's it. I've talked more than enough for now. If you like this video, give it a like. If you enjoy my content, of course, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see all my journey and with my lead gen secret, if you want to have tutorials about my lead gen secret, then check my lead gen secret playlist. I have a ton of videos about this product that I'm sure will be helpful for you, like this video, for instance. Bye for now.